Hey guys, so of course you know I'm unboxing this hair from Mslula. This is how the packaging looked. They have all their social media outlets on the side of the box. Inside the box, this is what it looks like. So they did give me some flexi rods, which I like, and of course the wig. And they also gave me a wig cap and some instructional brochures. Gives you like some money off, shows you what styles they have, coupons and whatnot. The hair came pretty quick, and I would like to say the customer service with this company is really good. Any questions I had, they answered, and they were very understanding when it came to certain situations I was going through. So yeah, this is my hair. I'm just gonna comb it out a bit and, you know, prep it for this bomb ass wig. So right here, I'm just sectioning off a piece of hair along the perimeter of my head, and I'm just gonna braid that down. I'm braiding my hair this way just so the clips in the wig have something to hold on to, like on the sides and stuff. And then with that big back section, I'm just going to, you know, brush it down and do 2 regular little braids because I want that to be flat, and honestly, I don't feel like braiding. So this is the lazy way of having a foundation for your hair, especially for a wig. You know, you don't need to have it all wrapped up if that's your preference, but I just do 2 little braids with that big middle section, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side. Now I'm going to use my Got To Be Glued gel just to secure all the loose hairs and make sure everything is in place and stays in place, because you know this gel does get hard. And I'm just going to brush that down, smooth it. And right here, I'm just using a bobby pin to hold the loose braid. I'm using this alcohol to remove all the dirt from my hair. It's 70%, but I do recommend the 91% because it's just stronger. But since I'm using 71% alcohol, I will be doing this about 4 or 5 times. So this is the wig. It does have 360 lace on it. It's straight hair, it's virgin hair. The origin is unknown because it's not listed on the website. This wig comes with 4 combs. There's 1 in the back, 2 in the sides, and 1 in the middle. It does come with an elastic band, as you see. That means you can put this wig up into a ponytail. So like always, I'm using my foundation just to match the lace with my skin tone. I do recommend using a lace tint because I feel the foundation makes the lace glue hard to stick. Like, it be giving me problems. So as you can see, I'm just inserting those clips, and right here I will be customizing the frontal to my head. So as you can see, it covers my hair. So now I'm just gonna flip the lace back so I can prep for the glue. So I'm just gonna use alcohol one more time, and now I'm gonna dot on this lace glue. I'm using Ghost Bond, but to be honest, I really don't like this glue because I feel like it really does not dry down. Like, it still be sticky. So I don't know how girls' hair be looking so fresh after days and days, but I'm just gonna apply 1 layer, let it cool down with the blow dryer. You know, you gotta use a cool air, and then I put a 2nd layer, and this layer, make sure it's still tacky. I'm not gonna let it dry all the way through, and I'm just gonna use the scissors. Yes, I know, whoo child, the ghetto. I'm using this the scissors to press down on the lace to melt it into my skin, and I'm gonna dry it with the blow dryer again. And I'm just gonna do the same process around my head. Please make sure that that glue is nice and smooth before you press on that wig, because if it's chunky looking, the glue is going to press through the lace and it's not going to look natural. It's not going to look cute, sis. So please make sure you are smoothing out that glue. So now I'm gonna find where my ear starts and ends, and I'm gonna begin cutting the lace so it can fit around my ear. And don't be afraid to go back in with the glue if any of your lace is lifting. You know, you gotta secure it. Like we securing these bags. Oh, so now I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side, which is cutting the lace to fit my ear. One thing I can say about this hair is that it's really silky and soft. Like, it felt like butter in my hands. I was in love. It actually feels like real human hair. Like, it's virgin hair, of course, but you know how some hair don't feel. Y'all get what I'm saying, but it's soft as hell. Girl, make sure when you lay your lace, you do it in a really cool area, because, girl, I was sweating, and this lace, nah, bro, I had to secure it again because that shit was lifting. That's why I'm saying I think it was the foundation that made it more difficult for the lace to adhere to my skin. So I'm just reapplying, you know, keeping it real with y'all. Everything is not perfect. Like, don't give up, keep trying. You're gonna get better the more you do it. So yeah. And I know this hairline needs to be plucked, but I wasn't wearing it fully back, so you know. So now I'm just gonna take my scissors, and with zigzag motions, I'm gonna cut that lace off. Y'all know how I do. This conceals the lace a little bit more rather than like a straight line. So now I'm just going to take my flat iron and try to get those hairs on the top to lay as flat as they can be. I'm just going to brush it down, flat iron and brush it down. And yeah, that's all I'm going to do. Now I'm going to beat my face because, you know, this is a little get ready with me John. So, you know, I can't get ready without beating my face. I also wanted to let you guys know that they did give me a coupon code for you if you use the word cash, as in shmoney, CASH. You will be getting $16 off orders over $169. So I'll leave that on the screen and in the description below. Don't forget to check out all their social medias down below. So yeah. Also, all the products that I'm using for this face beat will be linked down below. Y'all should already know what it is because I use the same thing every time, but I will still leave it in the description down below for those who are wondering. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little hair installation and face beat. I love you guys, and stay tuned for more videos. I have another video on this wig coming up, so please keep watching. Love you guys. See you in my next one. Oh, and you guys, don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all. Later.